This question belongs to computer network subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015. So the question states, which of the following statements is not correct about HTTP cookies? So let us see all the statements one by one. So cookie is a piece of code that have a potential. First, let me tell you what is a cookie. Have you observed that when you go to the Amazon.com website or Amazon.in website and add something to your cart, then if you close the browser and go again to the same cart, then you will see that that item is still added in your browser. It is still showing in your account. So how is it done? So it is done through the cookies. So the primary functionality of the cookies is to track the user browsing pattern. So it track your browsing pattern so that it can customize their viewing experience. So what is option D? Cookies can be used to track the browsing pattern of a user at a particular site. Yes, option D is correct. Now what basically is a cookie? So cookie is basically a file or a string. So cookie can be either a file or a string. Now cookies are basically criticized because it can violate the privacy. It can violate the privacy because it may be possible that we are browsing something and it is basically accessing that data. But it cannot compromise the security because cookie is just a data. See, cookie is just a data and not a code. Not a code. If it was a code, it can compromise the security, but as it is data, it can only violate the privacy. So cookie is a piece of code that has potential to compromise the security for an internet user. This is false. Now, cookies are basically passed through HTTP headers in both cases, like when client contact server and when server contact lines. So the cookies gains entry to the user work area through HTTP header. Yes, this is correct. Now cookies can have various fields, like it can have domain, path, like where it had to go. It can have the content, and it also has an expiry related with it, like when that cookie will expire. So cookie has an expiry date and time. Yes. So the question is asking which of the following is not correct. So answer is option A. A cookie is a piece of code. First of all, it's not a piece of code, it's a data that has potential to compromise the security. No, it cannot compromise the security. It can violate the privacy. So answer is option A.